Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn a smart trick of rounding off.
Children, today we will learn how to round off numbers at different places, tens, hundreds and thousands. Children, the very first step is to see how we round numbers to the nearest 10. Look at the ones digit. If it is 5 or more, increase the tens digit by 1 and make ones 0.
Sir, 68 becomes 70 because 8 is greater than 5. So, the tens digit 6 increases by 1 and becomes 7 and the ones digit becomes 0.
Exactly, Bunty. You remember the rule perfectly. If ones digit is less than 5, keep the tens digit same and make one 0.
Sir, 42 becomes 40 because 2 is less than 5. So, the tens digit stays the same and the ones digit becomes 0.
Excellent, Bunty. You understood it well. Now that you have mastered tens, let's learn how to round off numbers to the nearest hundred. Now look at the tens digit. If it is 5 or more, increase the hundreds digit by 1 and make tens and ones 0.
Sir, 263 becomes 300 because 6 is greater than 5. So, the hundreds digit 2 increases by 1 and becomes 3, and both the tens and ones digits become 0.
Perfect, Babli. If tens digit is less than 5, keep the hundreds digit same and make tens and ones 0.
Sir, 241 becomes 200 because 4 is less than 5. So, the hundreds digit stays the same and both the tens and ones digits become 0.
Excellent, Babli. You also understood it well. Okay, children, now finally we'll learn how to round numbers to the nearest thousand. Now look at the hundreds digit. If it is 5 or more, increase the thousand digit by 1 and make hundreds, tens and ones 0.
Sir, 6,842 becomes 7,000 because 8 is greater than 5. So, the thousands digit 6 increases by 1 and becomes 7. And the hundreds, tens and ones digits all become 0.
Perfect, Bunty. If hundreds digit is less than 5, keep the thousands digit same and make hundreds, tens, ones 0.
Sir, 6,241 becomes 6,000 because 2 is less than 5. So, the thousands digit stays the same and the hundreds, tens and ones digits all become 0.
Exactly, Babli. That's how rounding off works at different places.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.